Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a nice little card, and it's just a simple card, and it's using the Sending Smiles stamp and die bundle, which is this one, but it's also using background paper, which is the free host rewards paper. I want to say it's Daydream Delight, but I know that's not right. Let me see what it's called. Designer Daydream. Daydream Delight would be good as well. And there's loads of patterns that match lots and lots of different sweets. Couldn't tell you which one this one matches, couldn't tell you which one that one matches because I'm not used to them yet, but this has got lovely little soft tone on tone, so it's really very pretty, and I wanted to replicate it but with a different colour. So this is Petal Pink. Not the biggest fan of Petal Pink, so I decided to bring in Flirty Flamingo as my card base and as my secondary toning colour. So how to make a card like this? You need to cut a piece of cardstock in half and score it in half. Let's cut it at the right place. Cut it in half and score it in half. And then the background paper, because I'm metric, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. If you prefer to work in imperial, 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/8 of an inch. Okay. And that is going to sit on the front there like that, with a nice equal border all the way around. Now, don't know what I'm going to do on this one. I don't know what size I went. Let me put the imperials in. Oh yeah. So, whatever you determine that this cardstock is going to be shorter, make it narrow as well. So I'm going to make my 3 centimetres narrow. 1, 2, 3 centimetres shorter even. So therefore I need to make it 3 centimetres narrower. If I bring in this one, you get an equal border all the way around. So that's how we do that. And then I want a piece of white. And I'm going to make that following the same rule as before. 1, 2, 3. Of that 1/2 centimetre, I get an equal border. This border is the same amount as that border. Simples-ish. Right. Let me scooch those out of the way. So I'm going to stamp Sending, which is my big word here. The dies, actually that is going to fit good. You can, if you really want to, where's Flirty Flamingo? There it is. You can die cut the outline of the word and the individual word. Yeah, not going to do that. I'm just going to die cut the outside of the word. But there's the border and there are the words themselves. There's the words and that's the outline. So I'm just going to go in with the outline. Right, let's get my plates the right way up this time. If you saw my video the other day, totally got my plates the wrong way round. So white plate on the bottom, then clear plate, then paper, then die, and then the top one offset a little bit. Did that just jump? It jumped while I was die cutting. Did not notice that. Okay, round 2. Rewind, then press play. Maybe I'll get 2 bits of washi. second bit there. Don't move. No moving. There is a really good reason why I don't edit my videos. This is not it. I don't edit because I never knew how to, and now I don't have time to learn how to. But you know, we all make mistakes. You just get to see them all. I just press record on the button on the camera, and away we go. Could be worse, it could be live. I don't know if that would be better or worse. Okay, need that. Don't lose that one. Right, so let me bring in my layers. So this white one here, I want to put my phrases. So it's sending, and then you just add whatever you want. So sunshine to brighten your day, a card to say hello, I put on this one because I'm very much a girl for just because kind of cards. Smiles across the miles, comfort and strength, whatever you want to say, you add it on here. So I'm going to send some sunshine, assuming it fits. Send it. That doesn't fit. Smiles across the miles will. Okay, doing really well today. Smiles across the miles is just going to fit in there. Consider that before you cut your white cardstock. Right, okay, let me find something scrapped. That will do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick out a couple of my flowers. So I want the big one and I want the small one. You can obviously do whatever you fancy. I just like to do the big and the small. So, and I'm going to bring in petal pink for the bigger flowers. And just put 3 of them, just 3 there, and then come back in with Flirty Flamingo just to fill in the gaps a little. Can we do another one? Yeah, let's have another one over there. And then I can start layering it all up. So seal onto this layer. Oh, look at that, I've clearly got inky fingers. Good job, we're going to cover that. One into the middle, and then I'm going to get my little mini dimensionals. Don't own any white ones, don't know where they are if I did, but the black ones work. And I'm going to cover up the blob where I lost it with the inky fingers. Sending smiles across the miles. And this one says sending a card to say hello. Aren't they pretty? They're sweet. And I love the background paper. It's delicate, it's very pretty, and I like the cards very much. I hope you do too. I hope it gives you some inspiration. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.